right there. Fuck the nerves. We need to start.
Baby, you fine, let me give you some dick. I'm dogging in, she give me one little fish. She held me down, might bust on her wrist. You say you want smoke, but smoking that's it. Baby, come here, let me give you a kiss. She said us around, she over my dick, my business. She straight on fix. I told my girl, don't worry about shit. I don't want to hold, I'm not in the mix. So I get mad, my shit, and that's it. Baby, come here, you been getting so thick. Old school time, that bitch is so kick. That's not a rodeo, I heard that bitch tick.
What's the deal? It's your boy RonSmoov. We back with another banger. We back with another point of view. Y'all trying to trade it up or not? I don't even got nothing to say for real. I'm just gonna turn it up and nuts for y'all. But like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 1K. That's all I can say. Stay tuned. We're cutting up all through the city. New Mexico, of course. This is part 2. Point of view at night. I couldn't really trip last time because it was raining. But it's not raining today. It's kind of dry. So, check out the eco for y'all. He don't want to let niggas pass. Real quick for y'all. Smack out on the camera. Wait for them boys.
That nigga's tripping.
Like, comment, subscribe if y'all didn't yet, man. From the 5'7", bro, it's a big difference. Like my 5'7" hit me I had, it push you back in the go, but this bitch right here, different. Damn, bro, you gonna let nigga over? We'll have some fun with y'all now.
A few minutes later.
Have some little fun with y'all. garbage jump so you don't be worried. I'm just throwing the track for y'all now. We'll turn it up a little. We'll turn it up a notch. I heard the difference already. We'll hit this bike tripping. One thing though, when you're on track, that steering wheel can tell you.
Why would you say something so blasphemous?
We got speed bumps. Oh. We'll try to get some traction for y'all. This bitch be getting nasty. This motherfucker be trying to go, I swear. I gotta turn up more, so I gotta, I'm trying to get some more hard pulls and shit.
Extremely annoying shift later. Eventually.
So try to twist this bitch right here.
Oh shit!
No cap, y'all gotta like and comment for that one. I'll bring you on some fire, man. This sport mode with no traction. Y'all see the traction is up. Wait till the coast clear. We're doing track this mode this time. Turn the traction all the way off. See how this track looking like with the traction all the way off. Hellcat, man. Move, boy. Bring y'all all bangers, man. Bust it right here. So I get badass like that, man. I'm at the badass for y'all, man.
Tripping.
I was looking like that right there. Fuck the nerves. We're gonna start. Just turn it up for y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe for that good action I just brought y'all, man. Y'all, behind the scenes. It's a little extra puss, little highway puss. Here, look.
Would you stop it?
That bitch said how much? What's the total speed? How much?
137, 140.
Picture hit the top speed. Yep, 135, yo. We just did 135 on the freeway. Kids, do not try this at home. I'm a professional stunt driver. I really do this I was born to do this. That's just for real, no cap. Oh, I might like this bitch up.
You get it?
I don't know if that was 2 392s. I don't know if that was 2 polices. No, I know. As soon as I started hitting my shit, I'm trying to slow it down if he got it. You want to see me get low this? Drop the car back off to my cousin. So I'm just getting some last few clips. That must be spinning each time. Man, another 392 point of view. This time it wasn't raining, so it should be good. I got some good clips for y'all. You feel me? I do every time we leave out the big SRT, man. So we still had to support. That's what the last little Moses was getting nasty in. It's your boy Ron. As y'all know, man, 392 Ron, SRT Ron, all that, man. It's your boy